when it comes to forex trading, position sizing is one of the most integral parts of it, right? Apart from strategy and psychology, you want to also look at risk management, right? And in order not for you to blow your account, you want to take your risk management so serious. And most people blow account because they don't understand how to calculate some currency pair or indices pair or whatever it is that they are trading, right? So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can professionally calculate the risk management or the position sizing that you can use in anything you're trading, be it currency pair, be it stocks, be it gold, right? So we want to stick around to this video and see how I walk you through step by step so that in your next trading, you will know the actual lot size to use, which is the right position size to use, so that you will not get your account blown, all right? All right, so before we delve into the main chart, I would like to walk you through what is called lot size, right? You know, in trading forex, what you use is lot size, right? And that is calculated in terms of the amount you want to risk, right? And we have the micro lot size, we have the mini lot size, right? And we have the standard lot, right? Now the micro lot start from 0.01, right, to 0.09, right? So whatever it is that I want to risk, if it is within 0.01 to 0.09, that is in the categories of the micro lots, right? And this represents 10 cents per pip, right? And you know the meaning of a pip? A pip is the movement in price, all right? So once you are using 0.01 to 0.09, you are operating these micro lots, right? Now when it comes to mini lots, your mini lot starts from 0.1, right, to 0.99, right? And this is 10 times larger than the micro lot. So this one means that each time price move, per pip movement is $1 per pip, right? Unlike the micro lot, which is 10 cents per pip, which is a cent per pip rather. But this one is $1 per pip. And this is another one, which is standard lot size. And the standard lot size is 10 times larger than the mini lot size, right? So a movement in pip here is $10 per pip. You do see that? Now you look at this, within 1 to 100, whenever you have this on your volume, whenever you're taking a trade, you are operating the standard lot size. So imagine if you have an account size of $10, right? And you're going to put just one, this standard lot size. That means that account may just get blown if the trade just reverses against you, right? Even with this, the mini lot size, right? And you go and put 0.1 on like $5 account or $10 account, you might just blow the account, right? So you want to know the type of lot size to use and how do you derive all this? How do you actually know the type of lot size to use? Is it 0.01 or 0.05 or 0.1 or 0.10 or, or one lot size or two or three that I should use based on what you want to risk, right? I'm going to use an example of a trade I'm currently on and the site that I also use effectively to calculate my lot size. Now, if you look at this trade right now, all right, now this is a GBP JPY. This is for this illustration, right? Now, if you look at it, right, this is a sign of shorting, right? That means I'm going bearish on this trade, right? Now, if you look at this lot size, I'm using 40 pips. So how do I know the right lot size to use? Let's say on this trade, I want to use $50 on this trade, right? $50 on this trade, and I have an account size of $100, right? So I will come to this site, which is my fsbookcalculator.com, right? Once you come to this myfsbookcalculator.com, just come to this FS tools. That's where you get this position sizing, right? Now this is GBP JPY. On this place, you see the currency pair. This is where you select your currency pair, right? Then the accounts that you operate, which is US dollars, if you operate in Euro or GBP or whatever it is that you operate. For me, my account is on USD, right? So that's it. Then account size, like I have a $100 account and I'm willing to risk 50% of my account, right? That is the ratio, right? Let's say I want to risk 50% of my account or even 100% of my account. This is where I can put the ratio. In your own case, probably you have, let's say you have $50 and you want to risk 50% of it, right? So in your case, some people may even have a $1,000 account, right? And you want to just risk, right? Let me just say you want to risk 20% of your account, right? If you don't actually know or, figure out the ratio you want to use, you can swap it here to money. If I click here, it has turned to money/USD, right? If I come here, it will turn to ratio, right? So let's say you have a $1,000 account and you're really willing to risk about, let's say, 20% of $1,000 account, right? Or let it be, let's say 30% of your account. And your stop loss here, let's take this for an example. This is 40 pips, right? You come in here, this is where you put your 40 pips, right? 40 pips. Then you leave here this size, lot size, you don't need to touch it. By default, it comes on by 1. Then you calculate, boom. You can see once I've calculated, now 30% of my $1,000 account is $300. Did you see that? Then the lot size to use is 1.18, right? Which falls in the category of the standard lot size. Did you see? And the standard lot size within 1 to 100, right? So let's say somebody that have an account size of $10, right? And the person want to use 30% of the account on this same stop loss, right? Which is the stop loss 40. You calculate, you can see, meaning the person is risking $3, and the lot size to use here is 0.01, right? This is on currency pair. This is on currency pair, right? And I've done this video over time. I have another video where I explain how you can use this particular site to calculate for gold, right? You all know that gold is not done in pips, it's done in points, right? So if you want to calculate for gold, it's done in points. Let's say I want to go for a sell here, right? And if you look at what I have right now, my stop loss here is 703, right? This is the point. So what I will do, I will come in here, right? And I will, select my currency pair. I will just come for XAUUSD, which is the gold, right? And my account size, let's say I have an account size of $50, and I'm willing to risk 25 or 50% of it, right? And I'm going to put all this figure here, which is the 703 here. That's what I will put here, right? Now, 703, then I calculate, boom. Now, what it's telling me is that on my account, I'm willing to risk 50%, which is $25. So my lot size should be 0.04. So I will just go into my MT5 and put 0.04, right? With this, I'm using micro lot size. You can see, because the micro lot size is between 0.01 to 0.09, right? So, and this category falls in that, category. And with this, whenever the market goes against you, you are not risking anything far beyond, $25, right? So this will help you know what to risk at a particular time. Unlike somebody who just funded an account of $100 and just put any lot size, before you know it, the market will just take everything without the person even knowing that the lot size he or she has put is the wrong lot size, right? So I hope you understand how I'm able to calculate this, all right? You can do this with currency pair and gold, right? But you can't use this particular site to calculate for Bitcoin or NAS100 or US30. I have a video about that already. Just search in one of my video playlists. You will get that video, right? And if you really want me to do more in-depth analysis and how to calculate for other instruments, right, put it in the comment section below, and that will be the next video I'll be shooting. Thank you for watching this particular moment. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Give this a like and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.